is my video to discuss watertight bulkheads. Here is the detailed explanation of the construction of watertight bulkheads in, in shape as governed by the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS preliminary found in Chapter 1, which covers ship construction, subdivision, stability, and related system. What are the what are watertight bulkheads? Watertight bulkheads are vertical walls that divide a ship interior into separate sealed compartments. They are designed to prevent water from the spreading across the vessel if the hull damage, thus preventing buoyancy, stability, and structural strength. Without them, a single like cloud flowed on the entire ship, leading to sinking of capsizing. Key construction requirements under SOLAS: material and structural strength. Approved materials SOLAS required that bulkheads be made of steel or other materials deemed equivalent by the ship flag state authority. These materials must be able to withstand the hydrostatic pressure from water when a compartment is flooded, as well as straight from the ship movement, cargo loads, and operational forces. Design loads, the thickness of plaiting, size of reinforcing stiffness, and connection methods are calculated to reset the maximum water pressure expected. Typical of the level of the blockhead deck, the highest data blockhead extend blockhead does not the form of fail when submarine. Structural continuity blockhead must be connected properly to the ship hull deck and bottom structure to distribute force evenly, avoiding weak points that are lead the collapses of leakage. Watertight integrity. Sealing join all seam joints of connection where panels meet or where the bulkhead join other part of the ship must be made watertight, usually through connection, continuous welding. No gaps or weak points are allowed, as even a small opening can allow water to pass through. Controlled openings bulkheads are only permitted if necessary for the ship function, such as the crew access pipes of cable or the opening must be fitted with a watertight close the device that as strong the bulkhead itself is necessary to maintain the compartment sealed nature. Arrangement and placement. Collision bulkhead. One of the most critical requirements is a forward collision bulkhead placed at a specific distance from the ship front end. It extends from the bottom of the ship up to the bulkhead deck and designed to stop water from flooding the rest of the vessel if the bow is damaged. SOLAS strictly limits opening in the bulkhead. Only small approved pipes are allowed below the bulkhead's deck. Peak bulkhead. A similar watertight bulkhead is the required at the rail of the main machinery space separating it in from the stern area to protect vital equipment from flooding. That's all.